How to fix Telegram mutual contact. So if you are facing a problem with mutual contact on Telegram, then first you need to open up your Telegram application and make sure to log into your account. And once you've opened, now you can go for the search icon, which will be on the upper right. And now you can search for spam info bot. And after searching for that, here you will have your spam info bot. Tap on that. And here you will have start on the bottom of your screen. Tap on that start. And now you can choose the second option, which is on the bottom of your screen, which is but I can't message non-contacts. Tap on that. And now you can tap on no. And here it says that it is possible that you did too many similar actions at once. So such limits are temporary and you will be removed automatically. Please try later or subscribe to Telegram Premium to get less strict limits. So if you want to fix Telegram mutual contact issue, which says you can send message only to your mutual contacts, then what you can do is you can simply take a Telegram Premium so that you can message anyone that you would like without getting any restrictions or limits. So that's how you fix your problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.